All right, let's waste no time here. We passed Take Profit Trader, passed in about, I think, 3 days, but it takes 5 days to pass. So I just had to sit and wait. I was trying to make this video last week on Friday, but I didn't even get my information until 1 hour ago. So we just put the girls down. So I finally get to record. So congratulations on reaching your target on Take Profit Trader account. Our program is designed to find disciplined serious traders, blah, 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 blah. Our eligibility check. Our system will now review your account to confirm. Okay, cool. All right, if you have already 5 active pro and past 10,000, okay, all right, I didn't do none of that. Okay, so they stopped the billing. So as you guys know, they were running a discount for, I think it was $100, and we were able to pass that thing. Before we get into the nitty gritty, I do want to show 4 of us passed our challenge this week in my Discord. You gotta join, bruh. So as I scroll up here, first of all, we caught this move today, and then we caught this move. Crazy. Okay, so this is the challenge that I passed, but directly after that, we had somebody say, hey, I passed my prop firm challenge. And then we had another person say, just passed my TPT this morning. And then this was somewhere, I think it was 4. Let me see. We got somebody in here catching moves, man. People in our Discord are catching moves. All right, and then right here, we had somebody essentially pass, I think it's 4 accounts. She had 1 account and copy traded 3 of them. And so literally, like, we have 4 people pass challenges literally all in the same week. It's crazy. Join our Discord. All right, so as we're in Take Profit Trader, during the past test, it shows the account that was passed. So as you guys can see, I don't know why I calculated 0. I think maybe when I got it, it was 0 for that day, but we hit 3 dubs in a row and we're able to pass the challenge. So I had to hit up customer service because you have to have 5 trading days, which I don't like. I was on a win streak for this. So as you guys can see, it was just coasting. So it took 5 days. So as we go back, it says create new journey. No, that's not it. All right, so as, oh, we'll be in touch shortly if you're eligible. Okay, so bruh, all right, anyway, this is just a mess. Okay, so I actually have to wait until I can trade, which is crazy, bro. Like, it's been a week since I've been able to place a trade. But all right, so I'm not gonna lie, I do got a little bit of beef with Take Profit Trader because they have the intraday drawdown. I just don't understand that rule. Like, where in a real trading market, real trading environment, would you blow your account if you hit any type of drawdown? That's why I didn't mess with Apex. The reason that I switched from Top Step is because they don't use Tradeovate anymore. And so as I was looking for different prop firms, like, I saw that this deal was going on, but to take the challenge and pass, it's an end of day drawdown. But when you get funded with their pro account before you get their pro plus account, it's this intraday drawdown. This is essentially the rule of it, which, cool. But so it says, we care about your capital sitting on the sidelines. We want to see you trade. In order to keep the pro account, you'll be required to trade at least 1 day per calendar week. A traded day is defined as a day where you hold an open position on your most traded instruments for at least 1 minute. All right, so removal of consistency rules. See, I'm cool with that, but the intraday is a blower. So it says, once you're in a pro account, the trailing drawdown is calculated intraday based on your peak balance, which includes realized and unrealized gains. The drawdown will follow your account intraday as you experience gains, but will not exceed the starting balance. The maximum drawdown amount is equal to the test account you were past at. Okay, so the drawdown will follow your account intraday as you experience gains, but will not exceed the starting balance. Let's have ChatGPT break this down just so I'm super clear before I start trading this account. Explain, please. Okay, what this means, trailing drawdown is the maximum amount your account can go down from its highest point before you violate the rule. In a pro account, it's calculated intraday, meaning it moves during the day as your balance goes up or down, not just once at the end of the day. I hate that. Okay, how this works. Peak balance, your highest account value, including realized gains. Okay, as soon as your account balance hits a new high, even if it's just floating profit from an open trade, the drawdown limit moves up right away. That's so dumb. It follows you. So if you go up 2,000 in floating profit, your drawdown trail moves up. Okay, I got you. This is what I'm gonna do. For this account specifically. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and get 3 accounts with my funded futures so I can copy trade them, because their rules are crazy too. Like, you can only withdraw $1,200 and they have a consistency rule. We need better prop firms out here, man. We need better prop firms. This is weird. What I'll probably do for these guys is just go for 1-on-1s, because if I have any type of drawdown drawdown. You know what I'm saying? Like, so if I made $5,000, but I had a $2,000 drawdown, they would blow my account. That's ridiculous. So we're gonna go ahead and try to pass another challenge for something else. I'm in this weird kind of limbo in my prop firm trading journey of just like, all right, Top Step's not working out anymore. Like, what am I about to do? So, okay. All right, well, I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join that Discord. So I did want to show the trade that I passed with. So this is essentially the move. I sent it out to my Discord, so I'm gonna have you guys watch it. So I got a crazy sniper entry, as you guys can see right here. It was crazy. Check this out. Pass with Take Profit Trader. So for a 50K, they just asked you to make 3,000. But so essentially what I saw was this fair value gap got mitigated. This one got mitigated. So you got one, you got two, and then I entered off of the third one. As you can see, the arrows right here, so that's when I got in. I don't know why it took partials on this first one. So I had to manually exit on this one. I was like, bruh, like, I don't know why Tradeovate does that, but that's essentially the move that I caught.